I'm going to tell you how to profit from inflation. Hi, my name's Keith Weinhold with another Get Rich Education Money Minute. The way that you profit from inflation is to borrow massively, and you can do that most easily with real estate investing. Well, wait a second, doesn't that sound irresponsible to borrow massively? For example, I practice what I preach. I've been investing in real estate for more than 15 years, and from a young age I had millions of dollars in debt, and I want to have hundreds of millions of dollars in debt. But see, I go ahead and buy a piece of real estate with that debt where the price and the value of the real estate is greater than that debt amount, that difference being my down payment, and see, I've reliably outsourced all of my debt payments to tenants. They make the monthly principal and interest payments for me because I buy a property carefully where the rent income is projected to conservatively exceed all of the monthly expenses. So say I borrow $1 million. What you can do when you borrow $1 million, we know that the tenants are making that pay down for you, but effectively if you have 10% inflation over a couple years, now you only need to pay back in real terms $900,000 because in nominal terms you still just need to pay back $1 million, but see that $1 million has less weight as inflation erodes the purchasing power of money because over the years wages are going to be higher, salaries are going to be higher, and your rent income is going to be higher. So the weight of this debt gets slowly eroded away by inflation, and that's how you can profit from inflation, by borrowing massively when you have the tenants go ahead and pay that down slowly for you. Tenants and inflation are both eroding the weight of your debt at the same time. This inflation hedging is one of just 5 ways that you're paid as a real estate investor, but most real estate investors and really most real estate investing educators don't even understand this inflation profiting benefit that I just explained. That's how you can profit from inflation. You borrow massively, but responsibly.
71% of Americans aren't saving enough for retirement. It's going to get worse as people live longer, and you need to start thinking differently. But you can't lose your time. Real estate is the investment vehicle that's made more ordinary people wealthy than anything else. Keith Weinhold of Get Rich Education is host of one of America's top investing shows, Disrupting Wall Street. He's an international best-selling author, a writer for Rich Dad Advisors, and has been an active income property investor since 2002. He has created thousands in passive monthly income for countless followers. And now he has a free book, The 7 Principles for Creating Wealth in Your Life. Get your copy now at getricheducation.com/book. That's getricheducation.com/book. Because invest in what produces income for you now and later. Keith Weinhold is your guy. Sign up now at getricheducation.com/book.